Civil engineering and military engineering are two distinct fields with some similarities in their approaches and methods, but there are also some significant differences between them. Here are some of the key differences between civil and military engineering in practice. 1. Objectives. The primary objective of civil engineering is to design, build, and maintain public infrastructure such as buildings, roads, bridges, and water supply systems that are used by civilians. In contrast, military engineering is focused on the design, construction, and maintenance of military structures, facilities, and infrastructure, including military bases, weapon systems, and defense infrastructure. 2. Standards and regulations. Civil engineering is subject to various codes and standards that are meant to ensure the safety, functionality, and durability of structures and systems. These codes and standards are often established by government agencies and professional organizations. In contrast, military engineering is subject to specific regulations and standards that are established by the military, and are often focused on factors such as security, strategic considerations, and the operational needs of the military. 3. Timeframe. Civil engineering projects are typically long-term, with a focus on the long-term sustainability of infrastructure. In contrast, military engineering projects are often designed and built quickly, with a focus on immediate needs and the ability to adapt to changing situations on the battlefield. 4. Innovation. Military engineering often involves developing new and innovative technologies and systems to meet the unique needs of the military. In contrast, civil engineering is often focused on adapting and improving existing technologies and systems to meet the needs of society. 5. Collaboration. Civil engineering projects often involve collaboration with a range of stakeholders, including government agencies, private companies, and local communities. In contrast, military engineering projects are often conducted within a hierarchical and centralized military command structure, with less involvement from external stakeholders. Overall, civil and military engineering are both essential fields with their unique challenges, goals, and methods. While there are some similarities between them, the differences in objectives, standards, timeframe, innovation, and collaboration make them distinct fields of practice.